Learn slow. Learning slow is the best way to go about learning anything. Do not expect to learn overnight, as it is basically impossible to learn properly when you are learning fast versus learning slow and articulately. Learn in stages. A learning system needs to be structured. If there is no structure in our learning system, you can go off track very easily and quickly and forget to do any minor details that will, in the end, negatively affect your performance. Give yourself time. Rome was not built in a day. This is a very classic phrase, and most of us can resonate with this. If you try to learn in too little a time, you will probably develop bad habits, and these habits are very hard to redirect to proper habits. Set realistic goals. If a goal is not attainable within the time that you would like it to be, it will not help with your motivation, and it will ultimately, in the end, make you less confident that you are able to learn properly. If you are unsure about time goals, if you are just learning, I encourage you to go with 30 minutes a day. If that is too much, then go down to 15 to 20 minutes. And if you're a child learning, I encourage about 15 to 25 minutes a day, depending on the age. Above all else, have fun. If the learning process is not fun, you will not want to do it for long, and you will lose your motivation and determination. While bagpipes are one of the most, or if not the most, complicated instruments in the world to learn, it does not mean that you are unable to learn it. If you want to learn the bagpipes, have the motivation, have the determination that you need to learn the instrument. Remember, learn slow, learn properly, get an experienced instructor, set realistic goals, and above all, have fun in the learning process. All of this will come together in a beautiful package that will benefit you in the long run. I hope that this helped you out. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.